US stocks surged on Thursday, signaling an end to a four-day losing streak, driven by lower-than-expected inflation data and positive earnings, results from Micron Technology. This boosted investor optimism about the possibility of interest rate cuts in 2026. Specifically, the Dow Jones Index rose approximately 412 points, or 0.9%. The S&P 500 gained 1.3%, while the Nasdaq Composite led the recovery with a 1.9% increase. The main impetus came from the late-released November Consumer Price Index (CPI) report, which showed overall inflation rising 2.7% year-on-year, lower than the market's forecast of 3.1%. Core inflation, excluding food and energy, reached 2.6%, also lower than expected. Despite the lack of comparative data for October in this CPI report due to the prolonged US government shutdown, the market reacted positively. The upward momentum was further bolstered by lower-than-expected initial jobless claims. Among individual stocks, Micron stood out, surging 11% after exceeding earnings expectations and delivering a positive revenue outlook. This result helped rekindle confidence in AI-related stocks, which had been under pressure in previous sessions. Although investors have recently been pulling away from technology, the sector as a whole is still aiming for around 21% growth for the full year, 2025.